to enable enhanced safe browsing in Google Chrome. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable enhanced safe browsing in Google Chrome. In order to do so, first of all open your Google Chrome web browser on your device. Once you have opened it, make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Now here you will need to click on the three dots icon at the top right corner of your screen. By doing so, you will be able to access this menu. In this menu, you will need to scroll a bit down and at the very bottom, locate the settings option. Once you find this settings option, simply click on it and then you will be taken to the settings page of Chrome. You may also directly go to the myaccount.google.com in order to reach your account page of Google Chrome. Now once you reach to this page, from the left side, select Privacy and Security option. Once selected, you will be able to see this option on your screen. From this section, under Privacy and Security, you will need to locate the Security option and then simply click on it. Now inside it, look for Safe Browsing section. And now here, you'll be able to see Enhanced Protection option, which if enabled, prevent you from the dangerous sites, download and extensions that are based on browsing data getting sent to Google. In order to enable this option, you will need to simply select the circle at the right side of it and then you will be able to see some more information on how the Chrome keeps your data private under Enhanced Protection. It says when it is turned on, you will be warned about the dangerous sites even ones the Google didn't know about before, simply by analyzing the more data from sites than standard protection. So this is how you can enable enhanced safe browsing in Google Chrome. The changes will take effect immediately without saving. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.